All right, we're on to sort 12. Sort 12 is all about the final k sound that you hear in words. So if the last sound that you're hearing is a k sound, there's a couple different ways that that sound can be made, a couple different letter combinations. So these are the most common ones that we see. We see a KE at the end. We can see CK, or we can see just a K at the end. So all of these different combinations will make a k sound, and which one is going to be at the end, we can actually predict which one it's going to be based on the vowel sound that comes before the final k sound. So for example, in a word like, like, so that I that we can hear is making a long I sound. It's saying its own name, right? That's the long sound. And so that is telling us that we are going to see a KE on the end of this word. So it's got a long vowel sound, it's going to end in KE. And we can help remember that because the whole reason it says that long vowel sound is because there's an E on the end, right? That E is making that I say its own name. It's making it say that long vowel sound. We also see words like lock. So this is our short vowel sound, ah, right? That's when we're learning our letter sounds. That's the sound we're told an O makes. And so when it's a short letter sound, it's going to end in CK. Now, the words that end in K don't have long or short vowel sounds. These ones are some different combinations of vowels. So for example, the word took, is kind of the sound that we hear in the middle there, took. And that's, well, it's not a long vowel sound. It's not a short vowel sound, and it might sound close to that long vowel like you, or sorry, short vowel, oo. Like it's not either. It kind of sounds close to some of them sometimes depending on how you say it, and you can always say it in different ways where it makes it sound like it, but it's made by two O's, not a U, right? So this is an irregular one, and we know that because it kind of has that funky different sound, it's just going to end in a K. So there's lots of words for you to sort. There's no oddballs in this sort. All of these words follow the rules that are explained here and that I just explained in the video.